Congratulations for getting this far and watching all the videos. I felt it was important to guide you through this program step by step, explaining the changes I'll ask you to make in how you eat and how you exercise, and putting it all together with the incredibly powerful scorecard. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the Healthy Lifestyle Plan, which gives you the solution to both weight loss and improving your health. Two incredibly important things. With this system, you are now 100% in control of your weight, and the higher you score, the healthier you're likely to be. It is a fact that if just a few basic healthy lifestyle habits are adhered to, at least 80% of the time, our physical, emotional, mental and spiritual health and well-being naturally evolves and improves. But if you ignore these, vitality dwindles, and there isn't a drug or doctor that can assist you if you won't help yourself first. This healthy lifestyle plan makes it easier. Maybe you want to have more energy. Maybe you want to lose some weight. Maybe you worry about getting older and developing diseases that disabled your parents. Perhaps you've struggled far too long with ill health, having a chronic illness, minor or major, and want to be less dependent on medicine. You now have the tools in your hands for changing your life. You can now decide how much of the program you want to maintain on a permanent basis. All I'm doing is pointing you in the right direction. I have no doubt that you can change, because I know from my own experience that people can do so if they really want to. Just remember the key lifestyle principles we teach you with the Healthy Lifestyle Plan. 1. Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water and keep 1 point. 2. Perform 50 minutes of exercise a day, or as many as you can, and score 1 point for every 10 minutes of exercise you do, up to a total of 5 points a day. 3. Sleep for up to 8 hours. You won't get any points, but your mind and body need this. 4. Keep fat content of your foods below 30 grams a day and no more than 10 grams a meal. 5. Eat 5 times a day. Breakfast, lunch and evening meal, plus 2 snacks. Keep your snacks to fruit only. Let's recap on the scoring system and how it relates to food and drink. You start the day with 5 points, and it's down to you whether you keep them or lose them. You obviously want to hang on to as many as you can for the day. So that entails eat 3 meals and 2 fruit snacks. Keep each meal to 10 grams of fat or below. Drink 8 to 10 glasses of water. Don't drink any sugary drinks. Don't exceed your daily limit for alcohol. You deduct points for the following. Skip a meal, lose a point. As this meal was skipped, the other rules for main meals don't apply. If your meal was between 10 and 20 grams of fat, lose a point. If your meal was between 20 and 30 grams of fat, you're going to lose 2 points. And if your meal was over 30 grams of fat, you're going to lose 3 points. Scoring yourself correctly, as I say, is absolutely essential. And the most common error is underestimating the fat content of the foods you eat. Then, if you skip a snack, you lose a point. If you eat anything other than fruit for your snack, you lose 2 points. If you don't have a minimum of 8 glasses of water in a day, lose 1 point. With regards to your score, deduct 1 point for going over your alcohol limit by 1 to 2 units on each day. Deduct 2 points for exceeding your alcohol target by 3 to 4 units, and deduct 3 points for more than 4 units. I'm sure you've heard the expression, points mean prizes. And that's certainly the case here, because when you keep scoring 50 points or more a week, week after week, inches will fall off, as will weight, and your health is simply going to improve. Just bear in mind, 40 to 50 points, nothing will change. And dare I mention, score under 40 and things will be getting worse. Follow the plan, even if it's only for the next month, and see for yourself what a healthy lifestyle can do for you. Remember, the whole concept here is to allow you to live a normal life. If you want that takeaway, have it. Score yourself properly, and you will still be able to score 50 or more points. Get 5 perfect days and be more relaxed on the other 2. And doing that makes this easier, and you'll still see great results. Use the Healthy Lifestyle Plan to jumpstart you to vibrant health, and I'll be thrilled to hear your success stories. Please let me know them. If you ever have a question, concern, an accomplishment to share, or feel you're losing the battle and are determined not to lose the war, please contact us via the Facebook forum, or for more personal cases, please contact us at larry@healthylifestylesliving.com. We're here to help you. Last but not least, this won't be the last training video of the Healthy Lifestyle Plan series. We will always be updating the website and the members area, and we will notify you of any changes, new features, and important updates in future videos. If you want to make sure you don't miss any future videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure you have alerts turned on to make sure you are notified when a new video gets released. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you a healthy lifestyle. This is Larry Lewis.